In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch local channels on Hulu, so you can stay up to date with your favorite local news, sports, and shows. Let's get started. To access local channels on Hulu, you'll need a Hulu Plus Live TV subscription, as the standard Hulu plan does not include live TV. Once subscribed, open the Hulu app or website and log in to your account. Navigate to the Live TV section, where you'll find a channel guide that includes local broadcast networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, FOX, and PBS, depending on your location. Hulu automatically detects your region and provides access to the local affiliates available in your area. If you're unsure which channels are included, you can preview the live TV channel lineup during the sign-up process or by visiting Hulu's website. Keep in mind that availability may vary slightly based on your geographic location. For those who only want local channels, an antenna might be a more cost-effective option, but Hulu Plus Live TV offers the convenience of streaming these channels alongside its on-demand library. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy watching your local channels on Hulu.